There's a story of a woman queen, I think, in Niger.
Okay.
I can't remember the name exactly,
Okay.
but if we kukhona lo yatiko, can Google according to what I'm saying right now. This woman, she was a queen in a tribe lethide.
Okay.
Nakafika ama-French ato invader afuna lo mhlaba wabo. Bafike la kuqala ngelibhayibheli. They convinced them ukuthi Jesus is the way. Bantu bebangafuni ukubelievela kulo uNkulunkulu wala belungu because laba bayafika batofika basitshintshise imihambo yethu. Masiko ethu lesitakhele wona. Bafuna ukusitshintshisa lokho bona labafike bakubona lakithi. Bathi nasabambekile bathi lo kulo make bathi the queen. Base sicela ukhethe ukuthi uhamba naNkulunkulu wethu oluchubeka ngalamasiko akho. Ngoba uNkulunkulu wethu unelicolo unelithando. As wise as she was,
Yes.
she said to them, if nithi lo uNkulunkulu wenu unemusa, unelithando, ngicela ningivumeleni ukuthi ngiye lapha endlini yabogogo bami. Ngiyofika ngikhuleke ngibachazele ukuthi nyalo sengithatha sinqumo lesiso. After that ngidabe sengiyaphuma bese nendani nenda lokuleni kufunayo. Because bebane agenda yabo bona bathi no kuze ukuthi labantu laba basithembe asimvumeleni vele ahambe lapha wangena endumbeni yakhe. Ngicabanga ukuthi bekumsamo wakhe.
Yes.
Wathi shici. Landlula lawo. Landlula lesibili, lesithathu, lesine. Wathi makaphuma lapha waphuma as a Black Panther. Everyone wavula indlela wangena emahlathini nje. Till today akwatiwe ukuthi wayapi. Wayiva leni. Beyikhona lento kuvikela
Bukhosi bangaleso sikhathi.
bukhosi bangaleso sikhathi mara beyibekwe kuye yena as a leader.